Hi there. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use assertNotText and assertNotValue commands. Okay, so simply go to google.com and you can find out that there are plenty of text, button and values to verify. So first command to add in your Selenium IDE is open and then point it to google.com. The next command is checking that particular text is not present. So type in assert not text. Okay, now I'm going to check CSS here. So you can simply go with inspect element and let's say I want to go for this bottom CSS. So it says hash f bar. So I want to fail this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and simply use CSS equals to IDF bar, then H1. Okay, so you won't find this, and this should make our test pass. Okay, so we are running a negative test, so we are going to make it false here purposefully. So this is not the data that we find on our web page. Okay, if you check, you will not find that locator. Okay, so if you go for something like v span, you won't find that too. Okay, so run this test and you will find that it will run properly. However, if you try to find something like id, let's say lst-ib, and click on find and run this test, then it will fail because this is not negative test and it found our particular text on page. So our command is assertNotText. If it were to be assert text present, then this should be again running true. Okay, now the next command is assertNotValue. Okay, so we will go with that, and for this we will make use of XPath. So let's say XPath has value which is /input, then @ID equals to, let's say, foo, and this should pass our test because we don't have this value in our input box. Okay, so if you run this test case, it passes because there is no such thing as id equals to foo. However, if you enter the correct id, then it will fail. Okay, and you can check that in log as well. Actual value did match. So if you used, let's say, a particular radio button or checkbox and perform those tests, then assertNotText and assertNotValue are very useful. So you can not only use this on input box but also on checkbox, radio button, or drop down menu, depending on how you want it. So this was a simple video on assertNotText and assertNotValue.